Hi guys, welcome to Mathsy with me, Miss Resi, your teacher for today. So today we're going to transform to standard form of an equation. Consider this given equation. First, let's group the terms with similar variables. Next, let's do addition property of equality. To complete the square, we need more spaces. After completing the squares, let's factor the perfect square trinomial. Let's divide both sides by 16. And lastly, we simplify. So this is the standard form of the equation. From the obtained standard form, we can determine the following. So we can use this formula. The hyperbola is horizontally oriented. And our center is at 2, 0. For vertices and co-vertices, we need to solve for A and B. Let's plot the center. Our A is on the X, so we need 4 units to the left and 4 units to the right from the center. So we have next, our B is on the Y, so we need 2 units upward and 2 units downward from the center. For the foci, we need to solve for the Pythagorean theorem. The orientation is horizontal, therefore our foci is on the x-axis. So from the x value of the center 2, we need to add and subtract 4.47. Therefore our foci are 6.47, 0 and negative 2.47, 0. For the directrix, we use this. Substitute the values we have. For the directrix, we have for the asymptotes, we use this one. Let's substitute the values. Plotting the obtained parts, the graph of x squared minus 4y squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0 is as follows.